Summer breeze came from the sea. Nighttime dances, color bills. Morning sex under the tree. All in all, it was my fault. Don't you see I'm feeling blue? But he believes in oil and gold, while I believe in you. I don't mind if you don't love me. I don't mind at all. I don't mind if you don't love me anymore.
Robotime New Arrival DIY 3D Gramophone Box, Pumpkin Cart Wooden Puzzle Game Assembly, popular toy gift for Children Adult TG408. Pumpkin Cart Technology, laser cutting. Wood piece, 182 pieces, assembly time, about 1.5 hours. Recommend age, 8+, children under the age of 8 can complete the assembly accompanied by their parents. Certificates, EN71, CE, FSC, FCC, package size, 230*155*11.6 mm. Specifications. Brand name, Robotime. Warning, small parts not for children under 3 years. Gender, unisex. Puzzle style, 3D puzzle. Style, construction. Age range, greater than 8 years old. Material, wood. Instructions, English. Buy one get one gift free. Gift, D toaster. Value, $9.90. Buy now price, $21.36. Check description for buying link. Thanks for watching.